Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into Forex EAs and looking for honest breakdowns, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So today we are looking at Rebate Hunter EA by Agus Santoso. Is a multi-pair hedging grid system on MQ5 priced at $99. The name says it all. Is built to generate trading volume for rebate accounts while trying to close baskets profitably. All right, so let's just walk through the strategy and signal claims. All right, so let's take a look at what the developer actually shows and claims on the page. Rebate Hunter is described as a multi-pair hedging grid expert advisor designed for consistent trading volume and controlled basket profits. The core idea, it opens buy and sell simultaneously on your selected symbols right from the start. This true hedge entry keeps things balanced initially and reduces pure directional risk. Then it manages positions with a dynamic adaptive grid distance that adjusts based on volatility. So the step isn't fixed. It gets smarter when this market gets choppy or calms down. When price moves away, it closes the losing side and adds to the dominant side using lot progression. You can choose multiplier for more aggressive scaling or fixed lots add for something calmer. Everything revolves around basket management, no fixed TP or stop loss on individual trades. Instead, it closes the entire basket per symbol or globally when profit targets in money or percentage are hit. The developer emphasizes is built for different volatility conditions, focusing on steady profit cycles. It's ideal for accounts that earn from high activity through rebate programs. They recommend it for ranging or mean reverting markets, as you can see. Um, you can see the recommended conditions. It said it works best on stable spreads and brokers with good execution, and suitable for ranging slash mean reverting markets, as I previously said. And it can be used on forex majors, crosses, metals, indices, and that depends on spread and volatility, as I've said. Okay, so they show the logic clearly. Initial hedge, dynamic grid expansion, basket exists, and resets for the next cycle. There's also a risk warning right there. Hedging grids can see significant drawdowns in strong trends or high volatility. So test on demo and use conservative limits. Overall, the page presents it as a flexible volume generating tool with portfolio level controls rather than a scalper chasing every tick. All right. Now, the features they mostly highlight on the websites, as we've seen, is the true hedge entries front and center. The dynamic adaptive grid is called Volatility Smart. That's a big selling point. Dynamic lot progression gives you options between multiplier and fixed add. Basket TB and SL in money or percent, both per symbol and global for the whole portfolio. Daily profit targets stop to lock in gains and stop trading for the day. Time filters and close by time to avoid news or rollover. One click manual close all button for quick safety and multi-pair supports up to 6 symbols from a single chart. Inputs include initial lots with auto compound option, mass grid levels as a hard risk cap, grid step configuration, progression settings, and all those basket and time controls. The developer positions it as customizable for conservative or more active styles while stressing proper risk management. All right. So I ran my own backtest on this one with a 10K initial deposit um, on the XAU USD pair M15 time frame for a 1 year period from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. Okay. So looking at the equity curve, it grinds up nicely overall with that slow upward slope you like to see in grid systems, but there are some noticeable dips and one pretty sharp drawdown spike where equity dropped hard before recovering. All right, so as for the key stats, let's take a look. Total net profits around $4,981, so roughly 50% gain. Profit factor of 1.40, decent but not amazing. Gross profits 17.4k against 12.4k in gross loss. The equity drawdown hit a max of about 78% over 8k, as you can see, while balance drawdown was much lower at 12%. History quality 99%, lots of bars and ticks, which is good for testing. So comparing to developers' claims, the volume generation and basket cycling show up clearly here, and it did make money over the period. But that equity drawdown is the real story. Exactly what you see with those hedging grids when volatility hits or a trend runs against the basket. In my testing, the features that actually mattered were the max grid levels, lots progression choice, fixed ad felt safer, baskets, stop loss settings, and time filters. The dynamic grid helps, but is still a grid at heart. So honestly, the thing is, these systems can feel smooth in backtests during good periods, but in live trading, especially strong trends or news, that floating drawdown can get painful fast. Spreads, slippage, and broker execution matter a lot since it's hedging and high activity. Core-fitting risks is there too if parameters are tuned too tightly to pass data. In practice, this means you need big accounts, high leverage, hedging allowed brokers, and the discipline to watch it or set tight global stops. It shines in ranging markets for steady small cycles and rebates, but can sit in deep red during trends. So the realistic verdict is a solid hedging grid for what it is, but treat it like the high maintenance tool it is, not passive set and forget for most people. Who is actually for? Experienced prop traders or rebate farmers with larger accounts who understand grid psychology can tune it conservatively and handle watching equity swings of 50 to 80%. Who should avoid? Small accounts, beginners, risk averse traders, or anyone on no hedge brokers. If you liked this breakdown, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description below. Thanks for watching and trade safe out there.